Maslow's hierarchy of needs can be applied in educational settings to create a supportive and motivating environment for students, addressing their needs at different levels to enhance learning and personal development. At the base of the hierarchy, physiological needs are crucial for students to function effectively in school. This includes ensuring that students have access to nutritious meals, clean water, and adequate rest. Schools can provide breakfast and lunch programs, as well as opportunities for physical activity, to help meet these basic needs. When students' physiological needs are met, they are better able to focus and engage in the learning process. Safety needs are also essential in education. Students need to feel safe and secure in their school environment to thrive academically and emotionally. This involves creating a physically safe environment through measures such as secure buildings, clear emergency procedures, and anti-bullying policies. Additionally, emotional safety is important, and schools can foster this by promoting a positive and inclusive school culture, providing mental health support, and ensuring that students feel respected and valued by their peers and teachers. Social needs, or the need for belonging and relationships, are critical for students' well-being and academic success. Schools can address these needs by fostering a sense of community and encouraging positive relationships among students, teachers, and staff. This can be achieved through group activities, collaborative learning, extracurricular programs, and creating an environment where students feel connected and supported. Positive social interactions can enhance students' motivation, self-esteem, and overall satisfaction with their school experience. Esteem needs are related to students' desire for recognition, achievement, and self-respect. Schools can support these needs by providing opportunities for students to succeed and be recognized for their efforts and accomplishments. This can include academic achievements, participation in sports or arts, leadership roles, and other contributions to the school community. Encouraging a growth mindset, where effort and progress are valued, can help students develop confidence and a positive self-image. Teachers can also provide constructive feedback and celebrate students' successes to reinforce their sense of achievement and self-worth. Finally, self-actualization represents the highest level of Maslow's hierarchy and involves the realization of one's potential and personal growth. In an educational context, this can be fostered by encouraging students to explore their interests, passions, and talents. Schools can provide a variety of learning opportunities, both inside and outside the classroom, to help students discover and develop their unique abilities. This can include offering diverse curriculum options, extracurricular activities, and opportunities for creative expression and problem solving. Supporting students in setting and pursuing personal goals can also help them achieve self-actualization. By addressing the different levels of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, educators can create a supportive and nurturing environment that promotes students' overall well-being and academic success. When students' basic needs are met, they are more likely to be motivated, engaged, and capable of reaching their full potential.